So you already have your big ticket funnel in place. There's one more missing equation, and you've guessed it. How do I find high-paying clients? And that's exactly what we're going to cover now. In this module, we're going to help you find targeted clients who are already looking for you. Do you know that more than 1.4 billion people use Facebook to connect with what matters to them? And more than 50% of Facebook active users log into Facebook in any given day. Nowadays, even kids at a very young age know how to play Facebook games. Now, apart from using Facebook as an entertainment, many have taken actions and started doing online business using Facebook. Do you have people around you who are very successful in their online business? Have you ever wondered how they can be so successful by just using this platform? It's all because of its low-cost marketing strategy, which makes it ideal for small to medium businesses with a limited marketing budget. And of course, it generates great networking opportunities. Now let's start talking about using Facebook ads to send targeted traffic. I believe almost every one of us has a Facebook account, a personal page. We're all so attached to Facebook that no matter how busy we are, we would still make time for Facebook. Even if it's just for a short 10 to 20 minutes, we would still quickly browse through our newsfeed to keep ourselves updated. Now the question is, can you recall when was the last time you liked or shared a post? Just now, a few hours ago, or even longer? A few days ago? That's what I thought. I'm sure it wasn't too long ago. One thing magical about Facebook is that every time we share or like a post, it gets noticeable. Even if your friends weren't active when you share or like a post, they still get to see it through your timeline. Have you ever realized how fast things can spread through Facebook? How easy it is for video clips or images to go viral? That's how powerful Facebook is. Have you ever asked yourself, how do people decide whether to buy something? Why are some online businesses so famous? How do they get people's attention? The cool thing about Facebook is people buy your products based on influence, value, and credibility. And the best thing about this is the fastest thing is word of mouth. We all have this one friend who is always shopping online, all the time, don't we? And the funny thing is, because of his or her frequent online shopping, we somehow go to them for recommendations. Why? Because we believe and we trust him or her for the knowledge and experience he or she has in online shopping. In other words, Facebook is the fastest way to do transference of trust. Now, let's talk about how to be seen as an authority on Facebook. Think about what your audience sees the first thing they enter your page. That's right, it's your profile, photo, and banner. So we need to take actions to make your profile, photo, and banner as appealing as possible. Why? It's to attract your audience. Before you upload your profile photo or banner, ask yourself, is this consistent with the image I'm trying to portray? Most importantly, use your image as a way to express who you are. Throw some personality into it. For example, if you're a coach for a badminton player, you can use photos of you playing a sport in your daily life or participating in competition. After that, what do you think you'll notice next? Your Facebook post. What makes a post juicy? It is content, of course. Value is the secret ingredient that makes the content juicy. So imagine if you over-deliver value, you will have a mind-blowing post. With that, there will be many shares and likes which generate many leads. Also, make sure your content is relevant so that your audience can relate to it. The next thing we have to do is create an excellent post. What's the one thing that matters when it comes to writing an excellent post? Content. As mentioned in the previous module, it has to be relevant so that your audience can relate to it. If you were the audience, what kind of posts are you looking for? What kind of posts would you share? Definitely something that demonstrates value, something you can relate to. A quality post educates and provides value for the audience. Ask yourself, who is that one friend who's always active on Facebook sharing posts with very little value? It might be funny, it entertains you, but it has little or no value. On the other hand, there are people who share quality posts or even write their own articles on their own. These kinds of posts educate people. Now ask yourself, do you pay attention to 10 nonsensical posts or one super quality post? Of course, quality over quantity. If you want to create an excellent post, focus on the content and make it a quality post.